Welcome to MH Math Facts. In this video, we're going to talk about word problems that involve finding people's age. Okay, so our problem says Angelica is 3 years older than Kiana. 18 years ago, Angelica was twice as old as Kiana. How old are each of them now? So to do this type of problem, I find it helpful to make a chart. Conveniently, I already have one here, but this isn't too difficult of something you can just draw when you're trying to figure out this kind of problem. So in our chart, we're going to write the names of our people on one side. So let's put Kiana here, and Angelica right here. And then we're going to put the age now right here, and then their age 18 years ago also along the top. Now in other problems that are similar to this, it might say something like, instead of 18 years ago, it might say in 10 years or 5 years ago, or something along those lines. So that's how you'll label it. You'll whatever the other however many years ago or in however many years will go right here. Okay, so we don't really know anyone's age right now, but we do know a little bit of information about it. We have this sentence right here, that Angelica is 3 years older than Kiana. So since we know less about Kiana's age, we're going to use that as the variable, so we'll call that K. And then Angelica, we'll say she's K plus 3, since she is 3 years older than Kiana. Now, 18 years ago, what do we know about their ages 18 years ago? Well, we know they were 18 years younger, so we can just have their age be 18 years less. So we'll subtract 18 from each of these. And now this one can actually simplify, so we're going to write this as K minus 15. Sweet, so now we have our information nicely organized so we can set up an equation that will help us. This is where we're going to use this piece of information, that Angelica was twice as old as Kiana 18 years ago. So twice as old means 2 times Kiana's age. So Angelica's age, so K minus 15, is twice Kiana's, which is K minus 18. Sweet, now we have an equation that we can simplify and can solve. Again, remember to copy down every piece of the equation each time we go through it. So we can distribute this 2, so we have 2K minus 36. And now we can combine like terms, so I'm going to add 36 on both sides. So over here we have K plus 21 equals 2K, and then I'm going to subtract K from both sides. So 21 equals K. So what does this tell us? Let's go back to our chart. We have K right here, and so K represents Kiana's age right now. Okay, we have the first answer. We know Kiana's age. So now the question is, how do we figure out Angelica's age from that? Well, conveniently, we have her age written in terms of Kiana's age. So we can just plug 21 in right here, and we get Angelica's age is 21 plus 3, which equals 24. Now let's make sure that our two solutions, 21 and 24, make sense. So if we look at our original question up at the top here, Angelica is 3 years older than Kiana. 24 is 3 more than 21, so that makes sense. Then 18 years ago, Angelica was twice as old as Kiana. Okay, so 18 years ago, Angelica would have been 24 minus 6, which is, 24 minus 18, which is 6. And then 18 years ago, Kiana would have been 21 minus 18, which is 3. And so 6 is twice as much as 3, so that part makes sense too. Awesome, so we've done it. Kiana is 21, Angelica is 24. So feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and that's it for this one.